got the meat with the sandwich. You gotta think about we're in New York.
It's like In-N-Out. Just think
It's like In-N-Out. It's an In-N-Out. What's the deal with the chopped cheese? Tell me, come on. Hold I need to know. I need to know what the situation with the chopped cheese.
That's delicious.
Oh. What are we doing today?
So we are on our way to New York. You just have to take life by the horns sometimes. We saw some of our friends at 4th of July. They've been living there for a while. We haven't visited. Why not?
New York's not cool. That's why.
Untrue. We're gonna prove that wrong. Had a few days off. Why not? C'est la vie.
We'll see you in the Big Apple. We made it.
Welcome to
Sukasa.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah. Get the bite.
I don't want to take a bite.
Get the bite. Get the bite. You got the meat with the sandwich. You gotta think about we're in New York.
It's like In-N-Out. Just think
It's like In-N-Out. It's an In-N-Out. What's the deal with the chopped cheese? Tell me, come on. Hold I need to know. I need to know what the situation with the chopped cheese.
That's delicious.
Best chopped cheese in New York. You're here first, dude.
Here, get him.
At Lennox Bites.
Lennox Bites.
At Lennox Bites.
Good morning, New York.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes are longing to stray.
It's time for coffee. We went to Malta Coffee. We got the pistachino.
Pistachio.
Bunch of pistachio with the coffee.
Cute.
And it's very good.
I want to wake up in a city that doesn't sleep and find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. These little town blues are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York, New York. In a city that never sleeps and find I'm a number one, top of the list, king of the hill, a number one. These little town blues are melting away. make a brand new start of it.
That's delicious.
If I can make it there, I'm gonna make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York, New York, New York.
I'll tell you flat out, it hurts so much to think of this. So from my thoughts I will exclude the very thing that I hate more than everything is. The way I'm powerless to dictate my own moods. I've thrown away so many things that could have been much more, and I just pray my problems go away if they're ignored. But that's not the way it works. No, that's not the way it works.
All right, guys, what are we doing today?
Well, we might go to the museums. we're gonna go to Central Park, and then we're gonna go to the Natural History Museum and the Met. Have some more good food along the way. And tonight we got the Dodgers game.
The Yankees Stadium.
No,
But the Dodgers are
The
playing
Dodgers
there. What's Sohel doing today?
I'm working.
It's a working man.
9 to 5.
9 to 5.
We're getting a lox bagel.
That's true.
It feels like I'm drowning. It feels like I'm drowning. In you, I'm drowning in you. I'm drowning in you. I'm drowning in you. It feels like I'm drowning. It feels like I'm drowning. In you, I'm drowning in you. I'm drowning in you. From the side bay to the valley, from the west side to the east side, everybody very happy, 'cause the sun is shining all the time. It's like another perfect day. I love LA. We love it. I love LA. We love it. We love it.
We got pizza. I don't even remember. This must be the fig bacon jam.
Yeah, my favorite.
Prosciutto.
Yep.
And New Yorker,
New Yorker.
which has sausage, pepperoni, ricotta. And yeah.
Cheers. Alright, well that wraps up our New York adventure. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for an extra sneak peek of behind the scenes at the FIFA World Cup final that Mark actually filmed, and we'll see you in the next one.